students, how are you? I'm fine because I'm here in Holland and I'm going to visit a garden, but you have to continue with your activity. So, okay, let's go.
Let's continue with your last pages. Part 3, what makes a good classmate. So open your book, page 56, activity number 1, test yourself. You have to listen and tick the box. There is one example. Here you have to listen the track that is in your platform and then tick the correct answer. For example, what is Lily doing? What is Lily doing? The correct answer is letter C. So listen and then check the question. Read the question and check what is the correct answer and tick. Page 57. Look and read. You have to write only yes or no. Yes or no. For example, 2 boys are running. Yes or no? Yes, 2 boys are running. A girl is crying. Yes or no? No. Perfect. So you have to read the question and continue with your activity. Only write yes or no. Finally, page 58. In this page, you have to ask your parents or and grandparents for ideas on how to be a good classmate. In this space, you have to write ideas or on how to be a good classmate. For example, raise your hand in the correct moment, at the correct moment, or respect to your teacher, respect your teacher, or you ask for permissions, or pay attention when the teacher is talking or something like that. Okay, and write your ideas, and it's all.
Dear students, it's all for today. I hope that you have a great vacation and see you later. Bye.